Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Genshin Impact getting stuck on the launch screen on Windows. First, we will check the firewall settings. Press the Windows key and type Windows Security, then open it. Click on Firewall and Network Protection. Now, click on Allow an app through Firewall. Click Change Settings at the top. Scroll down the list and find Genshin Impact. Make sure both the private and public boxes are unchecked for Genshin Impact. If you see more than one Genshin Impact entry, uncheck all of them. Click OK to save the changes. This helps if the firewall is blocking the game at launch. Next, update your graphics driver. Open the app for your graphics card manufacturer. For NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app. For AMD, open AMD Adrenalin. Go to the Drivers or Updates section and check for a new driver. If an update is available, download and install it. Restart your PC after the driver update is finished. Outdated graphics drivers can cause the game to freeze on the launch screen. After that, check for Windows updates. Press the Windows key and type Windows Update, then open it. Click Check for updates. Install all available updates, including optional updates if they are shown. Restart your computer once the updates are done. Now launch Genshin Impact again and wait for it to load. In most cases, the game should pass the launch screen and start normally. Thanks for watching.